pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of
banana tea bread. For this you will need 225 grams of self-rising flour, half a teaspoon of ground and mixed spice, 100 grams of margarine, 100 grams of light soft brown sugar, 2 eggs, 500 grams of bananas, and 1 tablespoon of Demerara sugar. Add the mixed spice to the flour. Give it a mix. Beat the margarine and the sugar until pale and fluffy. Sugar. Margarine, sugar, pale, fluffy. Fluffy and pale. Beat in 1 egg. Add the remaining egg and 1 tablespoon, that's 15 ml, of the flour mixture. This will stop it from curdling. Mash the bananas, cut them up first. Beat in the bananas to the sugar, margarine, egg mix. Using a metal spoon, fold in the remaining flour mixture. Fold it in. Grease a 1 kilogram 2-pound bread tin. Line the base with a greaseproof paper and then greaseproof the paper. And now spoon in the mixture. It says spoon, not pour, so I'm spooning it. Level the surface and then sprinkle over the Demerara sugar. Bake for an hour to an hour and a quarter at gas mark 4, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius conventional oven, 160 degrees Celsius fan convection oven. And now for the taste test. It's quite nice. It's a taste of banana but not overwhelming, nice and sweet, moist. I give it a 16 out of 20 on the scrumptious scale because I'm not a big fan of bananas. Still, it's okay.
My pocketbook is empty and my heart is full of pain. I'm 1,000 miles away from home, just waiting for a train.